how to scan document on iPhone. So first of all, you'll need to open your Notes application and then simply open a blank note just like this. Then simply open your keyboard and then here you can see the option of this clip-like icon. Tap on that and then tap on Scan Documents. After doing that, your camera will be opened and now your camera will start auto-scanning the documents. Just like this. Here you can see it has now started to auto-scan. If you want to stop that, you can simply tap on this auto and then we are back to the manual. So in order to scan your document properly, set your camera properly just like this and then simply tap on this white icon. And then in here, we have now successfully scanned our document. So if you want to retake it, you can tap on retake or you can tap on keep scan. I'm going to tap on retake. And now I'm going to delete the previous scan that auto took it. I'm going to tap on this photo option right here. And in here, I'm going to now delete this option. Tap on this delete icon right here. Or if you want to edit it, here we also have multiple different options. I'm going to tap on delete and delete this. Done. And now again, I'm going to take it properly. Tap on white icon. And then tap on keep scan. After doing that, when you're satisfied, tap on save. And in here, you can see this is your scanned document. Now it will be saved to your notes. And now in here, if you want to share your document, you can either share this whole note by tapping on the share icon, or you can tap on this drag button right here. And then you can tap on save to files and then save this document in your files and share it like that. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.